Hello guys and girls, Voices from the Dark here. Welcome back to one of the greatest games of 2013. It is The Last of Us. And in the last episode, well, a few episodes ago, Joel got severely injured and he's just now woken up from his troublesome, feverish, whatever. He's back up again, but Ellie is now in captivity with some people which she just managed to piss off royally. Which I think was a very, very bad bet. I say just play along, Ellie. Why do you feel the need to make trouble? But no matter, we now have our weapons back. Flamethrower, shotgun, the shorty, revolver. Got pretty much everything. Now, I'm just hoping that all of the men here has left the area.
Hell are you?
Well, she's in a pretty bad spot, so Joel, it's time we save her. I think we're getting close to the end of the game. This might be the second last episode, if I am to assume from the percentage it says on the save file. Which in one way is awesome, because I've heard that the ending is supposed to be really, really cool. And another part of me is sad, because this game has been amazing. But the good thing about finishing a game is that you can start playing a new one, you know? Why can't we grab this? Like seriously, it would really help getting around. Okay. So I suppose to get to Ellie, we gotta start crossing through here. I mean, we were here with Ellie, we were riding on our horse. So walking here on foot is gonna take significantly
Ellie!
Significantly longer.
Where'd she run off to?
She saved your butt, Joel. If only you knew how much she did for you when you were out. She's quite the amazing girl. I don't... Oh! Shit! Yep! Go, 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 go! Alright. Okay. Just gotta remember the controllers again. Right, one.
Where is she?
That was a headshot, dude. Come on.
Cover me. I'm coming up.
Alright, there we go. God damn it. No, you don't. Got one guy over there. Where is he? Sneaky bugger. I can't see him. Might want to get closer. We got this. We got this. Problem is, I don't know where they are. Ah, I see him now.
Don't let him get you.
Actually, do let me get you. I don't know if that was wasted bullets. I don't know if you actually have to fight them later on. But let's play it safe and let's move slowly here. Let's not get caught out in the crossfire. Take it step by step. Okay. Nah, stay here. Stay in this direction. That's something we can fire if needed. Something we can fire on to be grammatically correct. Alright. Let's move around here. I don't know where they are. Well, you were the ones who ran away from me. You're making it a lot.
Let's keep searching. Let's check over here.
I'm just gonna shoot them, honestly. We're not gonna do any stealth here. We have seen how my attempts at stealth have turned out in the past, have we not? It always ends up with me firing. Alright, question is, do I keep the revolver or do I change to my gun? My pistol. I know I'm looking sideways and it doesn't help. This is not the Oculus Rift. Bye-bye. Alright, one more shot. Before we have to change style. Oh shit! Right. Swap. Go. I know I'm playing it extremely defensive here. But better safe than sorry. Let's go. Who's next? I didn't know this many bad. Yeah, this many bad guys is correct, right? This many bad guys. Whatever. I didn't know so many people were gonna stay behind. I mean, I thought you were just all gonna chase the girl. Then again, I don't know a lot. Okay. Is there anything we can make? Melee upgrades. Sweet Jesus, that would be cool. Alright, or a shiv. No, I want a shiv first and foremost. Just in case. Then we make a health kit. And we are full on smoke bombs. Yes, is there anything we can... Crafting... Nah, crafting speed is not really important to me. Right. I have no idea where people are at. Oh, there's one. No, I don't think so. That's the correct phrase. Joel the badass. Really? Sure, sure, buddy. Sure.
What the?
You wait here.
We're not messing around anymore, guys.
Now, the girl. Is she alive?
What girl? I don't know no girl.
Focus right here, right here. I'll pop your goddamn knee off. The girl.
She's alive. She's David's newest pet.
Where?
In the town. In the town.
Now you're gonna mark it on the map. And it better be the same exact spot your buddy points to. Mark it.
It's right there. You can verify it. Go ask him. Go on. I tell you, I ain't lying. I ain't.
Game over.
Fuck you, man. He told you what you wanted. I ain't telling you shit.
That's all right. I believe him.
No, wait!
Joel?
Wake you in. Come on.
Let's go! Stop!
You really gotta stop doing that, Ellie.
I warned you.
I'm infected! I'm infected!
Really?
So are you. Right there. Roll up my sleeve. Look at it!
I'll play along.
What'd you say? Everything happens for a reason, right?
What the hell is that? She would have turned by now. It can't be real. Looks pretty fucking real to me.
Alright. You don't dare put me in control. Don't you dare put me in control. Alright, let's go.
What the fuck is wrong with these people?
I don't know, I think that guy has a reason to be pissed there. Nowhere.
I need a gun.
Yeah, that's for sure.
I can do this.
Let's get a health kit. Anywhere else? Is there something I can do here? I think I gotta move out again. Shit. So is this like a survival situation? There has to be a way here though. Yeah, we gotta pull this away. Alright. Let me go here. Yep, that was David.
Infected. What? The girl. She's infected and she got out.
This is bad, David.
I need you to round up everyone who isn't armed and get them clear out of here.
Oh my god. I'll take the kids to the shelter.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god, that's a lot of people. Oh, there are actually women and children here. I didn't actually think about that. Okay. So what is my current objective? I think find a gun was the most recent one I heard. Oh god. I don't want that guy to see me through the window. Damn, where am I going? Ah! Climb here.
I've been saying it.
Shit. I think, yeah, he saw something. He suspects me. Damn. Oh, I don't like this. This is really bad. Oh. This is some Benny Hill stuff right here. Yeah. Die! Die! Just die! Wait. Gun. Go. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's bright outside. Man! That must be hard for you to watch if you're watching this at night. Alright, let me have a quick look. It's too much snow to make out anything here. You can say that again. I can't see anything. I'm gonna move. It's just too much snow. Keep going. I will keep moving. I don't know why they freaked out over the fact that she was infected, really. I guess they were surprised by the fact that she hadn't turned, but... I mean, if they were gonna kill her, it wouldn't really have mattered. It would have been like, eh, whatever. But it was a good play, Ellie. It was a good play. This way. This is such an epic setting, by the way.
They're everywhere.
Actually, oh yeah, there's a guy. I guess I shouldn't use my gun. Can use bottles if needed to distract. And I got my piggyback stab. Wait, why can't I climb here? Okay. There's a guy there. There's a guy there. If only I knew where I was going. But I think going up here is gonna be good. Okay, let's have a look here. What is this place and how is it going to benefit me? Guy there. Let's go through here. Anybody on the other side? Nope. Let's go. Stealth Ellie. Can't touch this. Quick check. Oh! Oh shit. Oh shit. Wanna always be on the other side of him. Oh Christ, that was close. Right, make up your mind. Which way? That way? Okay. You walk over there, I walk over here. There we go.
This place is a damn maze.
It's a Billy Mays! I was gonna make a Billy Mays impression, but I've actually forgotten how he is. Billy Mays here with another fantastic product. It's called the anti-snowbind goggles, and it's gonna be really good for you right now, Ellie. With these goggles, you can look through oh god.
Relax, I'm not fighting anybody. I'm saying we can have a real situation here. We already have a situation. We're gonna take care of it. Now stay focused. Let's find it.
Yeah, you got a situation over here, buddy. Okay, we're in an arcade. It's pretty neat. Okay, I'm gonna stab this guy. Alright, here we go. Come on, come on! Get over here! Ammo? He might respond to the body. Oh, we got more of them coming. Wait, bad. In. Shit! Should have reloaded that. Shit. Well, this was the enemy! Nah, that didn't go. They saw me. I gotta run. I got no other choice. Nope. I thought I could go out there, but I guess I gotta go through another exit. But that's... Where did you place me? Is this too far away, or... Oh, it's over here. Ah, that's okay. I can live with that.
Not fighting anybody. I'm saying we can have a real situation here. We already have a situation. We're gonna take care of it. Stay focused.
Okay, so I think I might just ignore him for now, or should I just do my normal ritual of stabbing him? Wait, he's taking a... Oh, the enemies are not static. They are actually dynamic and adapt to, like... Oh, God. That can be quite nasty for me, actually. Also really cool. Alright, so it's like different every time. Alright, stabbity stab, stab. Alright, we're just gonna move out here.
Where do I go?
I just hope that this, the eye line, or that the line of sight here is gonna be too bad. The eyeliner has to be applied 5 times a day to be ordered to see in this... Oh, somebody... I don't know if somebody saw me. I think they found the body. Let's just move. Stay behind. Oh god. There's a guy over there. Yeah! Hello, buddy! Got a little Ellie surprise for you. That'll be $2.50, thank you. Alright. We need to find a way.
Where are they?
I don't know. I don't even know where we are, Ellie. I don't think that guy had a weapon. I didn't see any ammo on the ground. Maybe I was too fast. 1961. Great year, great year. Alright, this looks to be the correct way. Holy shit. Must be so freaking cold right now. Well, you're doing good, Ellie. You're doing good. I think we're out of this soon. Uh-oh.
How do I get out of here?
What's this? Nothing. Come on, there must be something. Okay. Through here. Mwah. Alright, let's take it calmly. I don't see any boogies. Any bogies. Any boogies. Oh! Stepped on a plate there. We're fine, we're fine. Let's just hope we don't stumble upon all the women and children, because they're gonna scream. The men are gonna be like, oh my god. That bear was kinda cute. He's like, rawr, 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 rawr. I watch over this store, Ellie. Todd's. Here at Todd's Steakhouse, we offer the... Damn it. I think there's supposed to be people patrolling here, because, you know, porcelain on the ground, stuff. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh! Hey, David!
How did you do it? That's all right.
Oh yeah, I knew there was...
Nowhere to go. You want out? Go ahead, come get these keys. I know you're not infected. No one that's infected fights this hard to stay alive.
I gotta get those keys.
How am I gonna... Am I gonna, like, pickpocket
What
him?
is it, Ellie? I gotta admit, had me back there.
Yeah! Haha! Sorry, David.
That was good, kid. It's gonna be all right.
He has a machete.
You know, you keep surprising me. Whoops.
Alright, don't step on the plates. Alright. Avoid the plates. Yeah, he has no clue where I am. It's good. Come on, David. Go! I will. You can bet your sweet butt I will. Just gotta know which way he moves. Oh, he's hiding now. I think he's afraid to move. It's a good thing. Wait, did I step on Porce? I'm not sure. I can't get over there, that's for sure. Oh shit! Oh! Oh my god, David! Don't ever do that again! I thought he went the other way! Damn it! He stepped outside my hearing circle, so... Oh. Do I have to do everything again? Where is he? Oh no. Oh no. Oh. He's in the kitchen. I think I'm at the same stage in the fight. Which is good. Alright. Was that a gun in there? There was something. I heard him in there. Yeah, he's in there. I got you now, David boy. I kinda like it, we're both hunting each other, it's quite cool. Oh, he doesn't have a clue. Yeah! Ooh! No, 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 David. That's... What? Alright, I guess we're going back to Joel. Holy hell! Alright, now we're here too. Alright. Alright. Ellie! I'm coming there. I have no idea where I'm running. But I'm gonna find you. Nope.
Keep searching. She comes through here, we gotta catch her.
We should be guarding the shelter. We got an infected running around the town. It's hard to damn exit.
Look, the kid is dead. We don't know where she's gonna turn up next.
think I saw something inside the apartment, but it's not worth it. I'm just gonna go as fast as I can. Luckily Joel has even better hearing since I improved on it a bit. It's not actually gonna help me. Alright, at least I can fight back more. Axe, are you crazy? I already got an awesome axe. At least we now have a spare melee weapon up there. Alright, sniper. Do we take him out? That's the big question here. That was bad. Thought I was gonna get him on the first one. But it's okay. I would rather just take them out like this, then sneak around in the fog, and suddenly be sniped. Just gotta watch my back here.
Can't hide forever, you know.
I've been gathering enough ammunition to deal with this. I'm not hiding, I'm just relaxing. Alright, somebody's gonna come around, I think. That could be problematic. Shh. Good. Gotcha. Okay. Anybody behind me? Nope. Right. Gonna switch. Starting to wonder if this was the best idea after all.
Hide forever, you know.
I know you're there, dude. He just lost half of his head. Ugh. Alright, then we got this dude up here. I have one shot. I gotta make it count. Wait, let me see again. Right there. I don't think I can actually snipe him. He's standing too far behind there. Alright, let's go here. Oh god, look at the blood splatter. That is just so elegant. Alright. Let's get some extra rounds in. Let's roll. Let's just go. Gonna go around this guy. I'm gonna strangle him. I don't see any other immediate threats. I think they're nearby, but I'm gonna just take him out like that. Well, there's the guy. Yeah, he kind of saw me, which is good. Ooh, 2. That can cause complications.
Guess you want to do this the hard way.
I sure do, buddy. I sure do. Bring it on. I like it hard. Gotcha! Oh shit! I didn't think it was gonna go hand to hand on me. That's okay. Tomahawk chop. It's just a big tomahawk. Alright, let's keep going. I just wish I knew where I was going. Let's go, go, go. Ain't no thing like a chicken wing. Let's move on. Ooh. Backpack. We got her backpack.
Where the hell is Ellie's stuff here?
Meat ledger. how much meat they've collected. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh my god!
Oh, Christ.
Why would they... Oh,
I gotta find her.
that is not good. Guess that guy has a sick and twisted hobby. Can't remember his name though.
Holy shit. Ellie.
That's exactly where we are as well. Todd's Steakhouse. Where the steak is hot and the girls are hotter. Get up there. That is not where we actually defeated him, but we can accept that. Get up. He's just been stabbed thrice. You were kind of smacked around a bit. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Wait, am I controlling her or am I not controlling her? It feels like I'm controlling her. Okay, something tells me it's gonna grab me in the last second. Oh, God! Gosh darn it, David.
I knew you had heart. You know, it's okay to give up. Ain't no shame in it.
I'm not giving up, David. Sorry to disappoint you. I want this machete.
I guess not. Just not your style, is it?
Nope. I don't see why you just don't kill me.
You can try begging.
Nah, he's just having fun.
Fuck you.
You think you know me? Huh? Well, let me tell you something. You have no idea what I'm capable of.
You have no idea how stupid that was.
Stop! Stop!
Fucking touch me!
It's okay. It's me. It's me. It's me. Look. Look. It's me.
He tried to...
Oh, baby girl. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh.
It's okay.
And that's why you watch out for spikes in the ground, Joel, because you'll end up on a huge adventure like that one. Imagine how little that would have happened if Joel hadn't actually landed on that thingy and just exited the university normally. Man. Look out for spikes, kids. Now it's spring. And I think it's the final season of the game. No, that's kind of cute. She actually looks normal now, not bloodied and frostbitten.
Did you hear me?
No. What?
Look. Hospital. This is where we get off. Let's go, kiddo.
Alright. Here we go. Finally. No more
Feeling the
snow.
breeze, huh? I tell you, on a day like this, I just sit on my porch, pick away at my six string. Yeah, once we're done with this whole thing, I'm gonna teach you how to play guitar. I reckon you'd really like that. What do you say, huh?
He's being very
I'm
quiet.
talking to you.
Huh? Oh. Yeah, sure, that sounds great.
Unusually quiet. Oh well. Guess we'll get to the bottom of your silence sooner. Oh, hey! Hanging out? It's a good day. It's a beautiful day in America. Ba, 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 da, ba, ba, da, ba. Do we take this? Nah. I mean, the axe is like, it's insta-kill. Oh, what's this? Family photograph. I don't know why I viewed that. That was sad.
I dreamt about flying the other night.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Go on, tell me about it.
So, I'm on this big plane full of people. Everyone's screaming, yelling, because the plane's going down. So I walk up, open the door, there's no pilot.
That's
I
bad.
try to use the controls, but I obviously have no clue how to fly a plane. And right before we crash, I wake up. I've never been on a plane. Isn't that weird?
Well, you know, dreams are weird.
That's for sure. That's for goddamn sure. Alright, so I
Look at
suppose...
that. Another city, another abandoned quarantine zone.
I suppose we're headed to the Fireflies? Did they move over here? I believe that's what they did. Just got so thrown off by the whole winter adventure.
There's that hospital the Firefly mentioned. Come on, kiddo.
Like, imagine if Joel had never hit that spike, then we would have just automatically jumped here. That's kind of weird to think about. But I'm glad he got impaled, because it's just a freaking beautiful part of the game. Okay.
Maybe we cut through here, huh?
Sure. Everything is nice and dandy. What can possibly go wrong? Kids were handling some drugs. That's bad. What's this? Oh. Goodies. Might as well loot while we're here. Wait, this isn't a school. This is a, underground, I believe. A quarantine zone, but before that... How do we cut through here?
Everything all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You just kind of seem extra quiet.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's not. It's fine.
It might be because we're getting closer to the hospital and she's kind of worried about what's going to happen once they actually get there. Maybe she's scared that they're gonna take her to like experiment and
Well, we could use
like
that ladder.
find out why she's immune and Joel's gonna do other stuff or something. I'm not sure. It's just what I'm guessing. Come on, girl.
Ellie.
Yeah, we definitely gotta get to the
Ellie?
bottom of this.
What?
The ladder. Come on.
Right.
Come on, girl. Let's try this again. There you go. Good. I just feel so. I just want everything to turn out well for Ellie. That little derp. Evacuation procedure.
Oh my god.
What?
What is it? Ellie.
She saw something.
Ellie.
She probably saw something. I don't even know.
You gotta see this.
What?
What is it?
I don't see anything.
What the hell is it?
What are you smoking, kid? Well, those windows are too stained.
Are you kidding me?
What? What, kids? You're seriously confusing me over here.
Come on, hurry up.
Sure. And then Joel woke up in his bed, and he found out that it was all a dream, and his daughter was still alive. The end. Oh my...
You see this?
A giraffe!
Don't scare
I won't. I won't.
me. What are you doing?
It's all right. Come here. Come here.
That's a
Hurry up.
Wow.
Come on.
Hey there. So fucking cool. Aw, where's it off to? Here, come on, let's go.
Slow down, kiddo.
Come on.
How many survival action-ish games do you see giraffes in? Come on. It's just so cool. Anything under here? Nope. They have like the really scary horror shoot everything scenes, but Man, scenes like this.
Man. Wow. Look at those things.
They're almost as beautiful as you.
So, is this everything you were hoping for?
It's got its ups and downs, but you can't deny the view, though.
Well, I guess we better be off there. Come on. Cutscene. Usually a bad sign.
We don't have to do this. You know that, right?
What's the other option?
Go back to Tommy's. Just be done with this whole damn thing.
After all we've been through. Everything that I've done. It can't be for nothing.
It's for the greater good, Joel. If we can learn something about how she's immune, it's gonna help a lot of people. I don't know if he's...
Look, I know you mean well, but there's no halfway with this. Once we're done, we'll go wherever you want. Okay?
Well, I ain't leaving without you. So let's go wrap this up.
I think he's scared that there's not gonna be an after, that once they get there, they're gonna go their separate ways or something. I mean, I would be scared of that, of course. I mean, you tend to develop bonds with somebody when you've been with them for a year. In a situation like this. Let's get anything I can craft. Get my... Actually, 2 health kits is fine in case I find one. Then it's not gonna feel like such a waste. Alright. Let's go ride a giraffe, Ellie. It's a tank. Alright, I'm taking the lead.
Well, this place takes me back.
How so?
That was right after everything went down. I ended up in a triage just like this. And everywhere you looked, you just saw families torn apart. The whole damn world seemed to have turned upside down in a blink. Yes, it was.
Can't imagine losing someone you love like that. Losing everything that you know. I'm sorry, Joel.
That's okay, Ellie.
I kind of feel like Joel got a second chance, although it wasn't his fault what happened, but he can kind of, for his own sake, have a new girl to protect. I realize I might be kind of quiet during this game, but I'm just soaking this in, man.
This looks like a good spot.
Alright. 135 gun parts. Something we would want to do. A shotgun is always nice. I'm starting to dig our revolver a bit. Is there something I want? Shorty. More clip capacity on you, maybe. I think clip capacity in general is pretty nice to have. Flamethrower. We're gonna be using the flamethrower very rarely, so... Alright, there we go.
Now we're talking.
Space for some more ammo. Just wanna check some of my weapons out here. Make sure everything is good before things probably go to hell again. Can reload this. Gun, how's our revolver doing? No ammo. Alright. We are going over here. Alright, it's been quiet long enough.
I got something for you.
Oh. What?
Here. Maria showed this to me and I stole it. I hope you don't mind.
What is it? Oh, yeah. Well, the past returns again.
Well, no matter how hard you try, I guess you can't escape your past. Thank you.
After all this beauty, guys, I am pretty goddamn sure that on the other side of the bus is more chaos. So if you want to tune in and possibly see how the game ends, I think next episode's gonna be the last one. I might be wrong, of course. Then I just recommend that you stick around. So have a still good day, take care and stay awesome. But most importantly, everybody, stay dark. Goodbye.